What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Wagh and I test out Salesforce apps so you don't have to. And today I'm excited to talk about an app called OneClick. So, what is OneClick? OneClick does one thing and one thing very well. It turns all your picklist field values into buttons. So when your users are filling out picklist fields, they can do so in one click. So how does it work? Here's what you need to know about getting set up. There are basically 3 steps. First, after you install the app, you'll go to the app settings and choose the picklist fields that you want to be transformed into one-click fields. Next, the app will generate Visualforce code for you. So all you need to do now is just copy that code and create a Visualforce page and paste that code into it. Lastly, on the page layout, drag and drop the Visualforce page wherever you want it. And that's it. All right, that's enough of the setup talk. Let's dive into it. So we're on a contact record page and we're ready to input information, but look at all those picklist fields.
Look at all those chickens.
Now, normally I'd have to click through each picklist field, which requires at least 2 clicks, one to open it and another to choose a value. Now, if there are a lot of values, I'll have to do a little bit of scrolling to find it. And I know this might seem a little bit nitpicky and a little bit silly, but all these clicks do add up and your users end up spending a lot more time. But now, if I leverage one-click fields, I can speed through this exercise much faster. So check this out. As I go through all these values, they save as I click on them, which saves me a lot of time. And I am almost done, and voila. Wait, let me change that last one. There you go, that was pretty easy. And by the way, if you enjoyed seeing that confetti, check out my video on how you can get confetti to drop anytime you want in your org. Overall, I really like this app. It's simple, fairly easy to use, pretty easy to set up, and this is going to save your user time and improve efficiency. Well, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to download this app, and if so, what are you going to use it for? And as always, please hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. I have a lot of cool apps coming up, so please check back soon. And until then, thanks for stopping by. See ya.